morning. I just got up to Bella outside, and we're supposed to have an 80% chance of rain today and cooler. Go figure. So, I thought we'd finish our little note that we was working on yesterday, and then we'll move on to the next project. So, and it's this pretty green. So I hope everyone has had a good night. Of course, it's just sinking in. Okay, not everybody is having a good morning. Some of y'all live in countries that now it's your night. It's like, okay. I say I slept good, but I'm always yawning in the morning. I'm going to the cat that I'm doing for Diamantita. It is coming along so good, but I've seen so many people work it. It's been fun. You know how you'll get that canvas and you just hate to see it end because it was so much fun to work, and then you get those canvases from the get-go you struggle with. I've had not too many of the ones I've struggled with, but I've only been diamond painting since last year, so I am fairly new. That's a question. How many years have you guys been painting? Put it down in the comments, because that'd be interesting to see. I don't have, Mondays are pretty laid back for me. I pretty much don't have that much to do. Oh, I missed the 6. Let me get that one while I'm looking at it. You know I'm going to miss one. There we go. And I see I missed also. There. These little keychains, they have letters and numbers just thrown everywhere. You know, like these, they're in a group. These might be here, here, here. Yeah. That makes it more interesting, huh? Okay. Oops. See, I was fixing to miss an A down here. Fixing to. Going to. Well, come on. I'm a country girl. Us country girls says things a little different. And it's okay to be different. That's what makes life interesting, huh? These are the stickiest little things. Even the edges are sticky. Whoops. Just trying to place that one upside down. Look at that. Isn't he cute? Okay, we're gonna jump over and work on our dragonfly, which is here in the front. Okay, let's do the letter B. Okay. Oh, it's a real pale blue. I don't know if you can see that or not. Well, y'all saw that, didn't you? Okay. I like those Hallmark mysteries. And YouTube is now having them. They might have had them for a long time, but I just now found them back again. And it's like, yes. They also have When the Heart Grows Fonder, you know, those tearjerker type movies. I'll watch them sometimes, but like I said, give me a good murder mystery. I'm right there. Remember the old TV shows? Back then, there wasn't such a mystery. It was more just murder. The first one comes to mind is Joe Penny. Jake and Fatman. Yeah. Joe Penny. And, oh, what was the heavyset guy's name? I can see his face. Oh, I can't think of his name. My favorite was Starsky and Hutch. I always liked David Soul. was my favorite. My sister Donna, her favorite was Paul Michael Glacier. Miami Vice. My mom's favorite TV drama was Perry Mason and Ironside. Those were her favorites. Maybe that's where I get it from. Then you had Madlock. You've had... see, when I get off here, I'll think of a blue million of them. Right now, it's like, oh. Hawaii 5-0 with Jack Lord. Yeah. My mom liked that show. Of course, she did, like, her favorite on Hawaii 5-0 was Dano. James MacArthur, was that who played him? I think so. Isn't it strange how you can remember old shows, old songs, but you can't remember the now? It's harder to remember the now. It's like, there's something wrong with that picture. So, well, you gotta oh, have you ever woke up and you're tired? You'd think you'd rest, but on a personal note, I'm tired because I'm probably up and down going to the bathroom more at night than I am during the day. Y'all saying, Linda, that's more information than we want to know. There. But that's okay. When you're among friends, you can talk about things like that. This is a yellow. It's amazing because they have bright colors. Like, okay, here's a bright yellow, a dull yellow, a bright blue, a pale blue. Well, There's my clock. Yeah, it's quite noisy. Whoops. I got a Temu order coming. It's supposed to be here sometimes next week. I gotta get some milk today. Me and Bella had meatloaf yesterday. And what I do, I buy those little metal pans that you get at the Dollar Tree, loaf pans. And I make up a large batch of meatloaf. And I cook them. Then I put them in the freezer. And as I need them, I pull them out. And it was just as good as it was when I made it fresh. I like to do that on Sundays when I come from church. So, I gotta cut out the sweets. But it's like, that's a hard thing for me. But I need to start watching my sweets. I'm going to do accountability with you guys. When I do a Whipnchat, I'll let you know if I gave in to sweets or if I haven't had any. So, we're going to help each other. Is there something that you need to watch? We're going to be accountable to each other. How about that? Is there some things that you need to watch out for? Whether it's your salt intake, sugar for me, and we'll help each other cut back on. So, is that going to fall? No, it's not going to fall. So let's do that. We'll help each other. We'll be accountable to each other. And Because if you don't have anyone to be accountable for, whoops, sorry, then you're more likely to say, well, nobody knows. And the camera keeps going lower and lower. And I'm doing this now. I've got another one of these coming because this one's wearing out. And you can't tighten it. Yeah, you can't tighten it. It's just too much. Are you still there? Oh, I'll end up clicking you off. But I think that's a good idea. We'll help each other. We'll be accountable. Like I'll give you an update on if I gave in to my sweets or if I didn't. And you find something, okay, I need to cut back on salt, okay? And we'll kind of go from there. And that'll help us. Hey, if we stick together and help each other, it's better than doing it by yourself. Because then, you know what I'm trying to say. So I'm not, yeah. You're saying you're talking this to death, Linda. Yeah, 80% chance of rain today. So I'm going to be indoors most of the day. I think I have to make a quick run to the thrift store. I have a few things to take to them. But other than that, I'm going to be home. I'm going to be working on this. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I want to show you my progress on my cat. Hold on. Let me cut this off. Then you can see the progress of my cat. For positive purple. I don't know why. That's hard for me to remember. But anyway, it's coming along quite nicely. It's a fun one. So if they're fun, they work up quick. And I think because of all the colors. But there it is. I've got this whole bottom. And I've started working here. But isn't that working up so pretty? It's fun. So okay, that's my shares. That's my Whipnchat. I'm gonna go wash my hair, get cleaned up, and get me a drink, and go sit on the couch and hug up to Bella. I know a lot of you guys have little fur babies and they like to be held every now and then, unless you got a huge one. But I don't know. I had a big dog and it tried to sit in my lap. It was funny because, you know, they don't realize how big they are. Well, you guys, I'm glad we got to spend the morning together. And you guys hang in there. Stay strong. Don't give up. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.